Side, 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 SSS. Similarity postulate / test. If the three corresponding side lengths of two triangles are proportional, they are similar. Similarity in geometry means that two shapes are proportional. Proportional shapes are the same but are different sizes by a zoom factor or scale factor. We use several tests to determine if two triangles are similar, parentheses, proportional, end parentheses. One is the angle-angle AA similarity postulate / test. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, they are similar. Another is the side-side-side SSS similarity postulate / test. If the three corresponding side lengths of two triangles are proportional, they are similar. Another is the side-angle-side SAS similarity postulate / test. Given two triangles with corresponding proportional side lengths and congruent included angle, they are similar. Note there are congruence postulates / tests which have the same or similar names. Therefore, it is important to first establish if we are interested in congruence or similarity. Also note that for similar triangles, the angles are the same, even if one triangle is 3 times larger than the other. The side-side-side SSS similarity postulate test says two triangles are similar if the three corresponding side lengths of the two triangles are proportional. Related words: zoom factor, scale factor.